Hey, to set up portable hotspot on the Nothing Phone 2A, all you have to do is just to open this settings. Now go into the network and the internet and select hotspot and the tethering. From this, select the Wi-Fi hotspot for sure. Just click on the switcher to turn it on. Next, just click on it. And as you can see from here, first we can change the hotspot name. That's actually the default one. When you click on this icon, you can actually view the QR code with the password of the hotspot. From here, we can also change the hotspot password. And you can also turn off the hotspot automatically when there's like no devices connected. So if you want to keep your hotspot to be activated all the time, just click on this switcher. And from this, you can also switch the AP band from the 2.4 gigs into the 5 gigahertz. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.